What's up? It's your boy M3J. Welcome back to M3J Media TV. To those who have not subscribed, just make sure you subscribe and share with your friends and families. We're going to be bringing you more videos and more videos, my dear. And today we've got another new video and we've got an update for the things that have been happening. So make sure you stay tuned. So what's happening in Zimbabwe? Tungorasikiwa nezvinhu zvakawanda. Zvinhu zvacho zvikutonzwisa tsitsi guys. Creator yavarwa, vanhu vavarwa mari dzavo, Ponzi scheme yatora mari. We have not been believing that it's a scam, but we have been told about Kudhara, and a lot of people have lost their money. Vamwe vanhu nezuro ito ndifuna vachida kuenda kujoina kunotarisa maoffices. Azvizozora havazondipa update kuti zvakafamba sei. Then later on manheru wayo tanzwa kuti muchaina tiseni mari. We heard kuti we lost our father, Archbishop Ezekiel Guti, and it's really sad news. We have not yet been told because of the death, but it is really sad. You are going to say rest in peace and our condolences to the family and friends and all congregants of Sayoja family. And also another news we've got is Diva Mafunga, a well-known popular gospel singer, have lost his life on a tragic accident. Guys, Zimbabwe hasizochichikwitika zvinhu zvakatongooma zvino manje, but kune vese vari kuchema Diva Mafunga and baba Ezekiel Guti tongochema ine tariro. Kune futi vavarwa mari necreator tongoti futi chema ine tariro. Mungonyaradzanawo mukati momutavharwa takatowanda. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you have not subscribed, just make sure you subscribe. We out.